Hi, I'm Lynne with Softsquares. I am going to open up the subscription bag for Creative Notions. It's March. This is the December bag, but it's just what came out. She's almost getting caught up, but this is the most recent one. And let's look inside it. Before I go any further, I want to point out this is the quilt that I did on a Maker's Monday like a week ago. And it's the fabric from the November bag, so the one I opened just prior to this one, in a little bit different configuration than her pattern, but I did use it. But I want to show you, it came back from the quilter. And this is what's on the back. Still have to bind it, but it was kind of a fun little backdrop. All right, so I'm going to show you what is in here. First thing is this. So it's the December bag, and then it has a list of winners on there. So if you are one of them or know them, let them know. They need to email info@creativenotionsquiltshop.com to collect it or claim it. But it's nice and springy, and it tells us, there's a lot of information throughout the thing about all the things I'm going to pull out, but it gives us a nice breakdown. So we have 2 charm packs from the line called Blissful. These are fluffy, 42 pieces each. And I'm not going to be able to put a swatch up on the screen today just because of how things are working out for editing, so I apologize. But this gives you an idea of what's in there and how pretty the colors are. So it is by Danielle Leon for 5-carat crystals. So 2 of those. The retail value for these are $28. We also get round template ruler set. Now back in the August bag, she sent out a 2, 3, and a 4-inch circular ruler template, and now we have the 5 and the 6-inch templates that we get to add to our ring of templates from the August bag. Now if you did not get that or weren't a member then, she still has these in stock. So just reach out to her and you can get them. But look how cool that is. I now have the full set of the circles. The value for those 2 circular templates is $12. I also have an adjustable wrist pin cushion, and that is this. It's kind of a flower. It looks like it's velour. It looks really soft. I'm leaving it in the bag. But there's that, and the value on this is $14. We got 2 mesh bags. These are the right size to put charm packs in. So if you had a charm pack that was open and unruly, see how it could fit nicely in there. But we have 2 of these. She has more if you would like. Just go to her website. But the value for these 2 is $6, and it has her little logo on it. We also have block of the month patterns. So this is the last block for the Garden Bloom quilt, which started last year. This is the 13th block. We also get the finishing instructions for that. So you can see, this is the butterfly block that we have the pattern for. But they also sent us a table topper pattern, so we can incorporate that butterfly into a project and something different if you want to do that. So the value for the block of the month patterns is $5 for these. I don't think there's a value for this. I think it's just bonus. Okay, we have more winter garden quilt set. Please spread this. So this is, quilt pattern. This is a $10 value. This is the quilt, and it's really, really pretty. It's using the Blissful fabric that she sent. It comes with 2 border options. The second border option is here, and they put circles on there using the circle template, and there's actually a template in the pattern for the leaves, and it does make the quilt a little wider, a little thicker border. But there's quite a bit to this instruction. So the finished size is roughly 60 by 70. If you do the bigger border, it's 60 by 73. Not much bigger, but a little bit. So that's a $10 value. Butterfly table topper. I just found this. This is a $5 value for this pattern. So the total value for the bag is $87. We don't pay anywhere near that. But there's one thing I didn't mention that came in my mailing pouch, but it didn't fit in the colored bag that I just opened up. And this is a $12 value, but it's her 2023 calendar. And she's got photos that customers have sent to her with quilts that were made using her kits. And the best part about this is on the inside, these are all different kinds of tips and tricks. So this is a really good reference. So you'll want to keep this no matter what you do, if you use it for a calendar this year or not, but don't throw it away because there's so many things on here that will be good as a reference. So that's what that is. All right, so I think I have, oh, we always get a recipe. Hawaiian Haystacks is the recipe card. Ronnie Clark is who sent that in, and she was one of the winners. So she does a participation winners based off of her Facebook page. We have project winner, scrap winner, recipe winner, guest winner, and participation winner. But she's about to start up the block of the month thing again. So you can send in your unique, see if I can find it, block pattern, and then they'll vote or decide if you're going to use it. And the month that it comes out, you are rewarded for doing that, some kind of prize. Okay, specialty rulers. So the current, well, I'm getting ahead of myself. So this is the 2022 keeper, and we just got our December pages. So the pages that she sent out that are in their plastic sleeves are ready to go in my binder. So I can put these 2 in here, and now we're going to be moving on to 2023. And so she's just letting us know that we are doing the barn quilt, and each of her dividers has a picture of a different quilt, but on the patterns page, the very last one, is a preview of what we're going to be making in 2023. So there's going to be special templates that will be coming out for that, and they're going to continue to do recipes. There is a recipe contest. Encourage you to send your favorite family recipe. They're going to make a book once they get enough to do it. It's going to be for 2022 and 23. If you have a recipe you'd like to share to be entered, just send it to info@creativenotionsquiltshop.com. I'll put that in the description notes, and write recipe in the header so that they can not lose the email. Everything goes into one place and it'll be easier for them to find. Okay, little note here that the quilting shortcuts, tips, and tricks will be added throughout the year as there are projects that need or have a need for those. So they're not going to be every month, but they will be coming as they are needed. There's also competitions, which I've already talked enough about that. Now the Barn Stars block of the month, it will run from July through December. It's going to do the same thing as the one that we just wrapped up. So we have a break from getting quilt blocks right now, but then we're going to start getting starting in the July bag, 2 blocks per month, and kits will be available in the shop. So again, we have a little break on the patterns, but hopefully she can get caught up on her bags too. All right, also there's a nice little code on the back of here for a discount in the shop online. So that is it. And as always, you get this, or almost always, when you get a fabric bag, it has her little logo on it. But these are really nice bags with a heavy duty rope. You can use them or you can cut them up and add it to your stash. And so that's one more thing she doesn't even give a value to, but that she specifically has in mind for you when she has these made up. So that's what I have for this. Oh, one more thing. The calendars, they came with 2 of these. These are leather corner bookmarks. And there's 2 of them. So they just came on the calendar, but they can be used anywhere. And I think they're awesome. So there's a lot in here. I have taped this video before, if you can't tell. So I'm having some issues. That's why I'm not able to give you as much information as I would like the website on the screen. But again, go to my description below and you'll have the link to her website. And that's it for this. So please go to creativenotionsquiltshop.com, check out their website. If you decide you want to sign up for this, there will be a link below here. Be sure to tell Vicki that you heard about it from me. It helps her track this. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to either one of us. So that's it. Thanks everybody, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day.